What's up, YouTubers? Amazing Corn Bar here, and I'm gonna be fishing for some carp in this private pond right here. It's a pretty nice pond. I'm gonna fish for some carp, and today I'm gonna be using my what's it called? It's a Shakespeare telescopic fishing rod. It's about 4 feet and 6 inches extended. So yeah, I'm gonna use this fishing pole to catch some carp. And yeah, when I catch something, I'll get back to you guys.
Okay. Got out? Oh shit, that's a crappie. Oh shit, wait. No, it's a carp. Oh, a little small ass carp.
You record it?
Yep. A little small ass carp. Andrew.
Yeah,
a little small ass carp.
Boy. And I caught a carp.
Caught a carp.
Yeah.
Damn. Hello? Small ass carp.
Hell yeah.
Alright.
Even they all look so clean now.
Yeah, the new, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too, because this is pretty small.
Damn, dude.
The one we used to catch a hella big and they're big.
Get it.
Ah, bitch! Dude went straight through his mouth. Yeah, this right here, this where we catch all these kind of carp. You know, these big ones like this, I love them.
Make it super light. If it's live, you record it?
Yeah. Hey, just get it, dude. Just get it.
Bigger one. Bigger than all my other ones. Yeah, bigger than feeders too.
Alright.
So recently, I caught this big fucker right here.
Oh, party and him, boys.
Caught this guy. And earlier I caught these three. These three small ones right here. Just let me pull in the string. These three. Pretty nice size, but I'm gonna let them go later. Just have them for fun right now. When I catch another fish, I'll get back to you guys. Damn, dude, look at that shit.
Damn, man.
I didn't think there'll be like a big one like that in there.
Okay. Big fish right here.
Private pond. Oh, fuck. At the end of the day, when I'm about to go home, I don't eat fishes. I just let them go. So, yeah, I'm going to let these three go. I'm going to let a big one go too, the one I caught earlier. Guess he wants me to catch him. Oh, shit, I need a knife.
Oh, what?
Just the beast of the day.
Let this little guy go too. There he goes. And I'm gonna let this big guy go right here. It's my prize catch today. I'm gonna let this big guy go.
I'm about to get fish on.
Yo,
Here we go.